Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Today we have a new program, new video, and today we are talking about Saudi Arabia, Israel, and UAE and what they are doing and what they are thinking. We think they are enemies of the Muslims. And the first news we are going to tell you is that Saudi snoops Pakistan efforts meant relations. That means Pakistan was thinking to make settle down everything with Saudi Arabia, but when was the Pakistani General Chief of Army Staff Bajwa was in Saudi Arabia, he didn't meet the MBA. Instead of this, he met the Saudi Chief of General Staff, and that was too serious. That means something is going happen. This is a news in the news that he meet chief of general staff and there is something news. Can Pakistan call back his troops from Saudi Arabia? That we have to wait. And the next one is say Israel is say selling nuclear information to the Saudi Arabia. This is something is very new. Western security agencies believe that the Israel is selling nuclear information to the Saudi Arabia, and according to the Arabi 21, they say they reported that Israel is selling nuclear information to the Saudi Arabia, and this is it's a very new things. But we have to wait. What can they do? And what can they not do? And the second is also Israel and Saudi Arabia prepare a railway link between Riyadh and Haifa, and this is also big deal. Saudi Arabia have with Israel. This is a this news is 2019, and I don't know why was the Pakistani media and TV was silent and no one tell anyone about these things that Israel and Saudi Arabia is going to make this deal, and there is a lot of other deals. We can give you new information maybe in the next video according to the time, so we cannot give you everything, but they make deal. And the other things, Israel delegation to visit Saudi Arabia in 2020, and this is the first time in history that a Jewish Israeli organization was invited. Question is here. They was invited, so the government, also the Muslim League, and what they call, they invite them, and the first time in history they was in Saudi Arabia. Saudians are happy because they are doing a big deal with Israel. UAE also, UAE buying arms and weapons from Israel, and they are happy. They are very happy that we are making deal. Israel do business, but the UAE government happy. And according to this news, they say that we are happy. First time in history, maybe they became happy because Israel is their friend, and they are making deal with a weapon, and UAE already have defense system from Israel, and they think that we are doing this because we don't want that Iran is a big threat for us. And this news is also no one reported. You can see no one can tell you that US military delegation visit UAE military delegation visit Israel. Media report the Israeli Air Force welcome to UAE delegations in Israel, and the same time American delegation was there also. They was talking about F-35 fighter jet to help UAE, and they were thinking that we can make foolish the UAE, and they are do own business. And here is now we are going to the Pakistan. This is a little history. It's a piece of history we can tell you about Israel and Pakistan. So in 1947, this is the first time when was the foreign minister was Sir Zafarullah Khan, and after Zafarullah Khan, Ayub Khan, Yahya Khan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Ziaul Haq, Benazir Bhutto, and Nawaz Sharif all was interested. If you read this, if you see this, this is a book. We take a book, and this book is translated a Pakistani person, and this book you can read. You can see the name of book also, and they was Pakistani. Every leader was interested, and they make lot of meeting in different country in Europe, Asia, like Asia, Kathmandu, Rangoon, and Europe, Brussels, Italy, and some meetings, according to this paper, some meeting was private and some meeting was arranged by the host country, and Israeli delegations reported to the government, and the host countries reported also, but Pakistani never ever reported about these things. You can read this paper, you can read this is a piece of history, and the right now is a Pakistani current government is very clear about this. There is a lot of problem, maybe some political party in Pakistan, but recent government is very clear about this. But you remember, this is a history you can see now, and you can read this. But the recent government is very clear about Israel that we are not going to recognize Israel. We do as our father of nations, Quaid Azam do, and he said that we cannot recognize Israel till Palestine get their own right and land. So this is clear. Imran Khan, Pakistani Prime Minister, is very clear, and we hope he hold what he say, and every person believe that he do, and he is very clear that we cannot recognize Israel, never ever. But before this, you see the history, the last 5 6 government what they do, but the right now he is very clear that we are not going to accept Israel. And there is some political party in Pakistan, they make issue here and there, make a propaganda maybe about the recent government, but recent government is very clear that we are not going to recognize Israel, we are not accepting Israel. This is a good thing for Muslim, because Saudi Arabia and UAE did already very very bad things for the whole Muslim, and Muslim are not happy about all what they did. But now Muslim, some Muslim country are Muslim are happy that Pakistani recent government have a strong position, and we were here is the two picture. I don't know actually, maybe they are old picture, but I don't know about this picture. If someone know, please write the comments and tell us the name, who they are. I don't know about those people. This is a picture only, so please give us comments about this picture, so maybe we can find some more picture. And I say, we say, keep claim, and remember, we are watching you. Pakistan is watching. Do what you want, Saudi Arabia government and UAE. Pakistan is watching. I promise that Pakistan is watching. And in the last viewer, give us feedback, give us a comments. We can make better video, and have a nice time. Keep watching. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.